How to hide WhatsApp chat. First is by opening your WhatsApp and then go to chats right here. And order for you to hide the chat that you want, you need to archive it. So in WhatsApp, the term is archive and not hide. So for example, I will choose the last chat that I have. I just simply swipe left like this one, and then it should archive the chat that I have. Again, you should swipe left like this one, and then it will hide or archive the chat that I have. So in order for you to see the archive chats, you just simply scroll up and then you may be able to see this section right here or folder that is called archive. So you need to open the archived folder or section and then you may be able to see the hidden or the archived chats you have. So that's it. That's how you can hide WhatsApp chat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.